Today in this video, I will be talking about a very trending topic, Threads versus X, which is also known as Twitter. Now what is this Threads? Threads was launched by Meta on 5th July 2023 and has gained 1 million users in just 1 hour, compared to the previous ChatGPT which took 5 days and Twitter took 2 years to achieve this. Well, there are many reasons. I would unveil each of them, but the first thing I would like to tell you is that people want to know which one they should prefer to use. So I will tell you that in the end. But first, let's discuss the reason why Threads has gained so much popularity. The top reason is that the Threads is linked with Instagram. It's easy to create an account on Threads because when you enter its sign up interface, there is an option to import your bio from Instagram. And that's it, no need for email, password, or username entry. In fact, your followers on Instagram will also be notified that you are on Threads and they will start following you. However, there is also a downside to this. When you import your bio from Instagram, your Threads account gets linked and you can't delete it unless you delete your Instagram account. But you can deactivate it without deactivating your Instagram account, so this is a negative aspect of it. Another reason many people choose Threads instead of Twitter is that Elon Musk temporarily quit Twitter, but this is not the major reason. The major reason was when Elon Musk announced that those whose accounts are not verified are limited to post daily. Many people reacted to this and started looking for alternatives to Twitter. At that time, Threads was launched by Meta and became the fastest growing app ever. In response to Threads, Twitter designated the Threads app as a competition by Meta. Now, what's important is which one is the best for you as a student, celebrity, or a YouTuber. Threads are available in some part of world like Asia, but in the European Union, Threads is available in limited countries. What's the reason behind this? I recently read an article from a newspaper that said Threads track much more of your information than Twitter, including health records, financial affairs, payment and credit card information, and other personal data. But wait, this doesn't mean you should stop using Threads. You should be careful while using Threads. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, agree to them, and avoid syncing content. Also, make sure to clear your search history after searching for something. I would like to add another thing. If you want to share long posts, Threads is better because Threads have a character limit of 500 while Twitter has a character limit of 200. So anyone interested in sharing long posts should prefer Threads. Besides text sharing, Threads also allow longer video length compared to Twitter. There are many features available on Twitter that are also not available on Threads. For example, on Twitter, you can edit your tweets after posting them. But once you upload something on Threads, you can't edit it. It will be permanent. Another difference is hashtags, which are very popular on Twitter. You can't search for trending topics on Threads, which is a down aspect. Also, you can send direct messages to anyone on Threads, so there are many features that are not available on Threads. Now, if I recommend one of these, I must say that Threads is a newly released app and something new in the market is very popular with people, regardless of knowing what the future of this app will be. But Twitter has been around since 2008, so you can use it without any issues. I cannot say anything about the future of Threads, so I would recommend you to use Twitter till now. Maybe in the future Threads will get better than Twitter, but we can't say anything about it now. I hope this detailed explanation has clarified the distinction between these. If you found this information helpful, please give a video a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.